This is Sonia with Arts and Solutions, and I finished another journal, and I'm calling this one handle journal, I guess, because I have a handle that came from a recycled shopping bag. It was like a little small gift bag, and I decided to just add it on here and create like a little pocket and stuff like that. And then I added on some extra little clusters and things that I've made over the last few months or so. And the book is made from recycled cardboard, and I just added papers, and I added alcohol inks around the edge, and well, not just around the edge, around the whole. I added recycled cardboard and then muslin, and then I inked that muslin and then decoupaged it onto the cardboard, and then that's how we got this like greenish bluish color. And then I just added some scrapbook paper over top of it. And so the book has 2 signatures and with elastic binding, and they're both removable. And I added this little tassel on the back. It's just made from different beads and like fabrics and different laces and things like that. I just added that on there, and it's connected to the elastic binding. And the book measures approximately 7 1/4 by 10 inches with like a 1 1/2 inch spine, approximately. These are just approximate measurements. And so I used several paper lines in here, anywhere from My Mind's Eye, Pink Paislee, and I think I might have a little bit of Graphic 45. I'm not sure, because I was working on 4 journals at the same time, so I'm not sure I've got Graphic 45 in this one. I know I have it in the other 2. So, and I use primarily the digital that's in here is the Pink Blossom kit. And it was used in my other 2, the last 2 journals that I made. And I'll have links in the description if you want to check those videos out as well. So on this one right here, we have this cute little cluster. And like I said, I made these a while back. And this one's connected to like a little jump ring. And it's got like a little owl on there. We've got some stitched on fabrics and laces and just different little things. And I had made these little wings a few months back over the summer. And then I created this little pocket out of that cluster that this was. So this is a pocket. Let me just set this down. And you have like a flat pen. And I actually made this flat pen like probably a couple years ago. I've got like a lot of ephemera that I've made that I just never did anything with. So we've got that flat pen, and then this is a pocket, and we've just got some tags. And then these come out. And then this is what your pockets look like. You have a pocket here inside where the fabric is. And then, of course, you have your pocket inside of here. And then there's also a pocket. Is there a pocket behind? Yeah, there's a pocket behind here too. So behind, in the middle, and then right there in the front. And I'll just put all this back a little later. And I've also used bits and pieces from other kits and stuff. This one is from Eva from Bohemian Crafting. Her toppers from her Patreon channel. That's where that comes from. And some of these I got from other journals that I've made like years ago. Like I said, I just didn't do anything with them, so I'll swap ephemera from different journals and folios and things like that. So I'll put this in the front in a little bit. So let's just go ahead and open it up. But first, this is what it looks like from the top, and then from the side, and then the bottom. So your front and back. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put some music on, and I'm just going to do a flip through and then just let you enjoy looking at this stuff. So this is pretty much it. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, there's a total of 108 pages in here. 2 removable signatures. The first signature had 14 pages, which times 4 folded over all 4 sides. That would give it 56. And then the second signature had 13, which would give it 52, which altogether that's 108 pages. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell and check out my other videos and my blog and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.